Good day, everyone. Welcome to Maths and Science Academy. So, this Academy of Maths and Science is proudly brought to you by Netengwe Chedza Samuel. And by the way, that is my name. This was founded on 1st January 2023. So, with the aim of uplifting learners from the surrounding communities, and hopefully now, since by then we had challenges when it comes to offering of online lesson. So hopefully these lessons will provide provision to those who are far from us, and hopefully this is going to be a beautiful academic year, because as we speak we have and we are starting with 2026 academic year, more especially when it comes to those that are in grade 12. Please stay in touch, because you guys, you have got a lot of work to cover in your grade 12 syllabus. And we are going to be mainly focused on mathematics and physical sciences, and that is our area of specialization. Although yes, in some areas such as geography and your biology or life sciences, will happen to upload some of the lessons, and hopefully some of the lessons that we're going to upload in your biology and geography, it will be upon a request from you guys, so we can do such a lesson for you. And for those of you who would want to get in touch with me, this is my contact details. My cell phone number is 072 082 0815, and my email address is ewnetengwe@gmail.com. So we are going to learn, you are going to learn with me, and I am Netengwe, by the way. I'm Netengwe Chedza Samuel. So the number that I provided here, it also have got WhatsApp. So if you want to WhatsApp us, you are more than welcome to WhatsApp us as well. And hopefully I hope that all of you here, you do understand and you are very proficient in English. So let's get into our lesson, and please do not forget to subscribe, so that all the time when we are posting a new lesson, maybe be it a lesson for revision, be it a lesson for solving questions, so that you can stay in touch with us. So this is how we are going to help those of you who are far, and as well as those of you who are near. Some of the things you might watch them here, and if you need more clarity, you are more than welcome to join our contact classes as well. And for more information on our contact classes, you are also more than welcome to send us a WhatsApp message, and we'll take it from there. All right, today we're going to be learning mathematics, particularly grade 12 mathematics, and we are going to be doing sequence and series, which is the first topic on your ATP. So let's dive into the syllabus of grade 12 mathematics, and let us look at it and analyze it and do give some highlights. All right, like I said, today we are going to learn mathematics, and particularly grade 12 mathematics. So this is the topics that you will need to, or you are going to learn for your grade 12 mathematics, in order for you to sit for your examination, and in order for you to get that excellent mark in mathematics, you will need to be proficient in these areas. So I'm going to highlight all these topics, and also highlight topics that carries a lot of marks in your examinations. So for your term 1, you are going to learn about sequence and series, of which it is the topic of today, and it is followed by functions, wherein we are going to talk about revision of functions from grade 10 and as well as those in grade 11. And then from there in your grade 12, you are going to do the formal definition. Under formal definition, this is where we're going to learn about how to test whether it's a function or not. We'll talk about such things as vertical line testing and the values of x versus the values of your y, because our function is defined by y values. So we'll also learn about the inverse function of all the graphs, your linear, your parabola, and yes, we'll also learn about the new function, which is a logarithmic function. And yes, this topic of functions in your paper 1, it has got or it is carrying a lot of marks. So we are also going to learn about trigonometry, and as well as under trigonometry, we are going to talk about some stuff from your grade 10 and as well as your grade 11, and then we'll talk about that which entail grade 12 trigonometry, such as your double angle formula and your compound angle formula, and as well as we'll look at some general solution related to your grade 12. And yes, indeed, in particular, we're saying we should learn about trigonometry from grade 10 and 11, because you are going to see similar questions of grade 10 and 11 in your examinations. And that will be it for your term 1. So if you know and understand these 3 topics, therefore you can see it for your paper in term 1 and you can get excellent mark there. Then going to term 2, we're going to learn about Euclidean geometry. Under Euclidean geometry, yes, you are going to find some questions in your exams for grade 10 Euclidean geometry, and more especially grade 11 Euclidean geometry. That knowledge of it, you should be knowing it, but we'll try and do revision of grade 11 geometry, Euclidean geometry as well. And then we are going to dive into ratio and proportion, which is Euclidean geometry topic for the grade 12. And we also have analytical geometry, where we're going to also do revision on analytical geometry. If we don't do revision on analytical geometry and as well as on Euclidean geometry for previous grades, then you are going to watch videos of lessons under those grades, which will be talking about these topics and elaborating them more. And then now the new topic again, differential calculus, including polynomials. So this is where we're going to do some derivatives, and under polynomials we're going to also learn about some cubic functions and application of fundamental calculus. So application of differential calculus. So for your term 2, it will be only these 3 topics, and then for your term 3, therefore that is where you are going to learn about finance, and we have new topic in grade 12, annuities, and the rest is for your grade 11 and 10. And then you are going to learn about some new stuff on your statistics, and as well as those in grade 10 and 11 topics of statistics. And we are going to learn a new probability, which is fundamental counting principle. And yes, hopefully we are going to enjoy this lesson. So when we are done with term 1, we are also going to continue on posting lessons for your term 2 going henceforth. So let's go and discuss what we have for our term 4. It will be revision only. So let's dive into our today's topic.